Now that Christmas season is fast approaching, and are you looking for an idea to make Christmas tree? Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell button for notifications. So dear friends, here I will show you to make this handmade DIY Christmas tree made with newspaper. So let's start. For this you will need few newspaper tubes. If you want to know how to make them, please watch my previous video. Link is in the description below. Bend the tube from here and now measure 10 centimeter. Fold the tube like this. Shape it into a star this way. Adjust, apply glue, paste it and attach cloth pin. Apply glue here and attach a cloth pin. Now here apply glue and insert the tube to extend and start weaving like this. To extend the tube, insert another tube, applying glue and continue weaving. If you want to know more Christmas craft like Christmas tree, Santa Claus, candles, you can watch my previous videos and upcoming videos too. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss any of them. Now apply glue, paste, attach cloth pin. Make few more with different sizes. Color them with silver color. You can color them with any color you like. Now we will be applying glitter over it. So apply glue over it. And sprinkle glitter all over like this and let it dry completely. Here you have to arrange the stars and with hot glue paste it . One by one like this. Decorate with beads, applying hot glue. This newspaper Christmas tree is so pretty and unique. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please make sure to give big thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Thank you for watching, supporting and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.